Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to divide. Division, I know I'm going to say this, is actually really easy. All you have to know how to do is draw circles and count. So let's take this question. The first thing you need to know how to read the question. You also need to know how to read numbers. If you don't know what that number is, you can't really do this. So here we go. 8 divided by 4 equals. Now what that means is that division is like sharing. We have 8 things. Let's say it's 8 strawberries. And we're going to divide them between 4 people. We want to know how many strawberries is each person going to get. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get your 8 things. I'm going to use blocks like usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you need to draw the thing you're going to divide them into. I said it was 4 people getting 8 strawberries. So I'm going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all I do is I take these and I put 1 in each circle until they're all gone. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now all the circles are full, so I start again with this one. 2, 2, 2, 2. And the answer is, well, how many strawberries does each person get? Well, this is one person, and they have 1, 2 strawberries. And so the answer is 2. That's it. That's how you do division. Let's try one that's a little harder. Here's another question. It says 12 divided by 3 equals. And that means we have 12 things, let's say crackers, and we're dividing them between 3 people. So this time I'm going to draw the people first. And I'm going to draw my circles again. And this time I'm going to give them faces so that you know that they're people. 1 person, 2 people, 3 people. And then we're going to count 12 crackers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There you go. Now I'm going to share these crackers between the 3 people. You get 1, you get 1, you get 1. Don't eat it yet. You get 1, you get 1, you get 1. Again. And again. 2, 3. There we go. So now they each have the same number. Let's count how many one of them has. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check to make sure with the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12 crackers divided by 3 people is 4 crackers for each person. That's it. Let's do a couple more. So this says 15 divided by 5 equals. So that means we have 15 things. Maybe this time they're candy canes. And we're going to divide them between 5 people. So how many candy canes does each person get? That's what that equals means. How many does each person get? So first, 5 is the number of people. Let's draw our 5 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to count out my 15 candy canes. Although my candy canes look like blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now I'm going to take those blocks and I'm going to divide them between the people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to give them in the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see it's a bad idea to go 1, 2, 3, because then it's hard to keep track. So make sure you do it in line when you're giving it to them. Just go across and then across an extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So now we're going to count. How many does each person have? Oh, I could just see. It's 3. So the answer is 3. 15 divided by 5 is 3. When you have 15 things and you divide them between 5 people, each person gets 3. That's what that question means. Let's do a harder one. Whoa, that's a much bigger number. 42 divided by 6 equals. So that means we have 42 things. In this case, they are grapes. And we're dividing them between 6 people. So how many grapes does each person get? Let's check it out. First, I'm going to draw my 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add their happy faces. Oh, they're so happy because they're going to get grapes. But the grapes are going to taste like blocks. Now I'm going to count all the blocks. I'm going to ignore their faces for now and just put them on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Oh, now let's say for a moment I got distracted and I forgot how many I counted. And I was like, oh my God, I'm going to have to start counting all over again. No, because look, I made these into tens. This is 10, this is 10, this is 10. Look at this number here, 42. That means 40 means 4 tens. 4 tens and 2. So I need 4 tens. I have 3 tens. And this is only 8, so 9, 10. Now I have 4 tens, and now I need 2 more. There. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, and 2. There you go. So even though I lost count, it didn't matter. Now I'm going to take all of these and put them to the side, and I'm going to start sharing them. All right, everybody, have some grapes. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty, let's have some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, these guys are eating a lot of grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. So how many does each person have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count another couple of them just to check and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There you go. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. If you have 42 grapes and you divide them between 6 people, each person gets 7 grapes. There you go. I'm going to show you one more thing that can happen if you're making your own questions. Let's pretend that you made this question. 18 divided by 4 equals. That's a fine division question. First of all, there's 4 people. So let's draw the 4 people. 1, hello. 2, hello. 3, hello. 4. Oopsie, telephone. All right, so there are the 4 people. And now we're going to count out 18 things. So I'm going to count 1, 10, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that's 18. 1, 10, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 10, and 8. So now we're going to divide the 18 things by 4 people. And here's what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Uh-oh. I ran out. So now look, that's not fair. These guys, these 2 people have 5 things. And these 2 people have only 4. And so that's not the way division works. If that happens, you have to go back and you have to say, okay, I put extra ones here and here. Now let's count to make sure they're all the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's these 2 extra ones. And it's like, well, you can't divide them evenly. You can't give 1 to each person. So there's 2 things that we do to record this. The first way is that you say the answer is 4. Because each person gets 4. But then you put an R to say that there's a remainder, and you say that the remainder is 2. The other way that you can do is you can figure out, well, how can I make it so that these can go to the person? Well, this one could go to these 2 people, and this one could go to these 2 people. Let's say it was a cookie. If we cut it in half, they could share it. Each one will get half of the cookie, and each one will get half. So the other thing you could do is you could say that the answer is 4 and a half. Now, I don't expect you to do this. This is not at all kindergarten math. It is just fine if you get an answer that doesn't go evenly, just to say it's 4 with 2 left over, with 2 remainder. But this will only happen if you do your own questions. When I give you questions, I'll give you ones that have an answer without a remainder. So that's just something to remember. So now, to finish, we're going to review. Alrighty, to review. When we write a division question, we say something like 16, which is the number of things that there are, like maybe grapes, because this is purple, divided by, and then I'll use a different color to show the people, 4, and then you say equals. So this number is the number of people. You draw the people. You can give her or him some happy smiley faces. And then you count out the number of objects. In this case, 16. I'm going to show you how fast I can count out 16. Because there's something I know about 16. I'm not counting at all. I'm going to make a square. Because I know that 16 is a square number. There we go, 16. And then you give them 1 to each person. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep giving them 1 each. Make sure you don't skip any, so do it in a really organized way until they all have it. And then you count how many each one has. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. That is how you do division. I hope you have a lot of fun doing either your own division questions or the ones that I give you. Thank you for watching.